You asked, how to divide 1920 by 5 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 19. 19 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 19 minus 15 equals 4. Bring down 2, making 42. 42 divided by 5 equals 8. 8 times 5 equals 40. 42 minus 40 equals 2. Bring down 0, making 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 384.